Hello dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Mizan Techteacher. If your PC or laptop or desktop is becoming slow, if you are very much bored to use your PC, and if you are going to think that you will break your laptop or you will break down your PC, this video lesson is only for you. And after watching this video lesson, you will not go to break your PC, or you will not go to change your laptop, you will not go to break down your laptop. Your laptop or your PC will get supersonic plane speed, and your laptop or PC speed will be increased like a supersonic plane or supersonic jet plane or supersonic warplane. So before going to start our main video lesson, I'd like to invite you to subscribe this YouTube channel. If you have already subscribed, I would like to thank you so much. So let's get started our today's lesson, only to increase the speed of your PC. Let's see. Dear viewers, welcome to another important video lesson of my YouTube channel. And you are watching Mizan Techteacher YouTube channel, which is one of the greatest platforms in the world where you are getting important video lessons for your digital marketing, for your Fiverr freelancer and Upwork tips, and you have also got different types of video lessons for your social media accounts. Today I'm gonna show you different video lessons. If your laptop, desktop or PC is very much slow, and sometimes you are getting bored, and sometimes you are very much angry, and you want to break down your desktop or laptop, this video lesson will help you to be cool down and to get the speed of your PC like supersonic plane. And let's see, this video lesson will help you to get a modern or a fresh new PC. And before going to start our today's lesson, I'd like to invite you to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't miss to keep the bell button on. Let's get started. First, I will here select a start option. This is Windows start. This is called a start option, and here you will find a search option. Just click here on search and write run. Just write run, and then you will click on open. And when you will here get open this interface, you will write something in the box, and you will just write temp, T-E-M-P, temp. Then you will just click on enter or OK. You will find something very amazing, very astonishing. Here these are called junk files. This makes your PC slow, and you will just select all and you will delete this. And to select this, you will just click on your keyboard Control A means select all. Then you will click right on your mouse, and then you will find delete. You will go to delete. Just click on here, do this for current, and go to continue. And these are the junk files, and it will be clear. Skip, because these functions are your Windows function. It will never be deleted. But here these are very helpful for getting speed of your desktop. You'll again go back to your desktop. Here I'll go back to my desktop again, and you will again go to start option and search here. You'll just search here run. You will write here run and open. you'll go to open here, and you will write here again first percentage, sign of percentage, and then temp, TEMP, then again sign of percentage, and then you will click here on OK or enter of your keyboard. These are also junk files, and these make your PC or laptop very slow. And you will just click on your keyboard Ctrl A, and all the files will be selected. Then you will click on backspace or delete, or you can delete by clicking on your right side of your mouse, and you will go to delete, and here these files will be deleted. Here you can see 560 files, and you will just click here, do this for all current items, and the files which should be deleted will be deleted. And if there is any file which is selected by Windows or fixed up by Windows, will never be deleted. So I hope that you are getting the points or getting the tips how to delete junk files, or how to speed up, how to increase the speed of your PC. So I hope that this video lesson will be very much helpful for you, because I found several comments on my video lesson, in the comment box of my video lesson, that your PC is slow, and the subscribers requested me to make video lesson so that you can increase the speed of your desktop or PC. You will again go to your PC, and you will search in the start option. You will again write run. I'll here write run, then I'll go to open, and in the open you will write preface. This time you will write preface. You will just write preface, and you will go to enter or OK. You will again find something you don't currently have permission. You will click here on O continue, and here these are also junk files. You will again click on the keyboard Alter Control A will select every files, Control A, and then you will click on backspace or delete, or you can select right side of your mouse, right button of mouse, and then you will go to delete, and these files will also be deleted. And these files always slow down your PC. You'll again go back to your PC. This time you will find an important things on your every PC or laptop, which is called recycle bin. If this recycle bin is full, your PC or laptop will be very slow. So here you can find huge amount of junk files. You will just click on Control A, and everything will be selected. Then you will just click on your right side of your mouse, and then you will click on delete, and then you will click yes, and you will tick here and continue. Here you can find 1883 items in your junk files, and these files always slow down your PC. So I hope that you are getting help and you are being benefited by this video lesson. And if you think that the video lesson is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to keep the bell button on, and you can ask your friends to subscribe this YouTube channel. You may have some very difficulty or some virus here. So this was very disgusting, and make my PC slow down. So this was full, and you can find that it has been clear. So my PC will be faster before. And now you can go to you can search here disk cleaner. Here you can search disk cleaner right here, disk cleaner. You'll open it, just open it. Just open it, and here C drive is selected, so I'll go to OK. And if C drive was not selected, I will go to select C drive, because I'll click clean C drive. Here you can find some files, and if these were not selected, you will just click on select. After selecting, you will go to clean up system files, and your system files will be deleted, and this is helpful to increase the speed of your PC. So I hope that you are getting the point. It may take some moments to clean your disk or to clean your C drive. In C drive, here may have some junk files also. So I hope that total amount of disk space you gain 734 temporary files and thumbnails. These are thumbnails. So these are thumbnails, resource file, downloads, Windows Update Clean, Windows Defender Antivirus. So if I delete files, are you sure you want to delete permanently? If I want to delete these permanently, everything on C drive will be deleted, every junk files. So I expect that this will increase the speed of my desktop or PC. And if you think that after getting the lesson of my YouTube channel, your PC or your desktop has increased the power or speed, please like, comment, share, and ask your friends to subscribe this YouTube channel. After at my last point, I will show you how you can speed up, or how you can increase the speed of your PC. Here, this is another important stage or steps. You can go to your Windows, and here you will find some software which are not important for your PC or for your work. You can uninstall them. If you use some cracked files, like you can see, I have here used Photoshop and Illustrator. These two files are my cracked file. This is not original file of Windows. These two files has taken huge space on my C drive or on my memory. So if you use some huge software on your PC or laptop, your PC can be slowed down. So you should use always light version or light software for your PC or for your laptop. So this is the greatest task to speed or to increase the power of PC. So in this stage it takes more time. So I hope that you don't lose your patience. After this stage, we can go to our another task. If you think that you can search on Control Shift Escape. After completing this stage, we'll go another stage or another terms. It's taking more time. That's why I need to wait to go another stage or another terms. If I go to another terms, Control Shift Escape, Control Shift then Escape, Control Shift then Escape. Here I will find something important. Here you can see that here some softwares are taking more space. Like here you can see in my PC that the debate video capture by which I am screening or I am recording my video, debate video capture, it's taking more power, and you can see here. So if you find here like some software which are taking more power and more spaces, huge spaces, you can uninstall or you can delete this type of softwares to increase the speed or increase the power of your PC. So this is important for our, this is also important task, and I hope that you have understood how to clean the PC or how to clean up, how to increase the speed of your PC. Windows module installer, this is also taking power. 100% disk, my disk is 100% full because some softwares are taking more power. And Obro keyboard, here I have found a software which is taking more power, much power. So I can delete some softwares which are taking more power. You see that debate video capture is taking more power. Then any anti-malware service executable, anti-malware, this is another important software which is taking more power. And if I want to delete it, just click here, expand, end task, and provide feedback, open file, location, create bomb file, resource file, properties. And if I think that this software is very harmful for my PC, I can just delete this software and it will help me to increase my speed. And you will just analyze here which software is taking huge power. You will just delete this software and the power or the speed of your PC will be increased. So I hope that you have understood how to increase the speed of your laptop or of your desktop easily. And if you think that this video lesson was helpful, please like, comment and share. And you can ask me or you can write which video lesson you need. I will try to make those video lessons for you. So today I will finish here, and I expect your every moment connection with this YouTube channel. So thanks for watching. Tata, goodbye.